2016 Jeep Cherokee. It's in, check engine light on. Customer says they scanned it and it needs a blower motor. What? Alright, let's see what's going on here. Okay, well, he's not so far off. Maybe he just didn't know what to call it. Cooling fan, blower motor, well, whatever, I suppose. Let's just see what's going on with the cooling fan.
Here I noticed that when the fans are on, the fan speed is very erratic. Sometimes it's fast, sometimes it's slow. It just seems to not be controlled properly.
So looking at the wiring diagram, we see that the fan control module should have a constant good ground on the large black wire. It should have fuse battery power on the large red wire. That's from the power distribution center on fuse 5. We should have power at the small blue wire when the fans are commanded on, and then the engine control module will pulse ground on the control wire on the red wire. So if we just go right to the fan control module and test those circuits, that should just tell us right off the bat where we have an issue, whether the engine control module is not pulsing ground properly, or if we're missing, maybe we've got a problem on the main power, main ground that's changing the speed of the fan, something along those lines. But I think the best place to start is at the fan control module. I just want to test that I have good power and ground to the fan control module. I like to do that using a headlight bulb. You can see, yes, I've got good power and ground to it. The headlight bulb is just so you got a good load on it. I've got the pulse width modulator set to 80% now, and I've got the control wire back probe at the fan module. I'm getting some, I hear the fan speeding up, slowing down, and my lab scope has a funny signal there. It seems to be up and down, some sort of interrupted signal. Rather than back probing it, now I just have the key on engine off, and I'm testing the control wire for the fan module from the engine control module. 0%. Right now I can switch it to say 32%, and now you can see my pulse width looks normal now. I can switch it to 80%. You'll see it's going to switch to 80, and that's 80%. Go back to 16%. You'll see the pulse width change, and then 0 will drop to 0. So seeing that my pulse width when I'm back probing at the fan control module was being interrupted, shorted, whatever was going on, it wasn't a proper reading. But when I disconnect the fan control module and I look at what the engine control module is doing and actually controlling, that was fine. My power and my ground to the fan control module was good, and my enable wire to there, the blue wire from the relay,
is obviously fine because the fans do work. So I'm confident in saying that fan control module is at fault. Let's get one ordered and put it in. I believe the fan control module comes as a whole assembly with both fans.